Okay, this is homework for April 27th. You're doing page 34, number 19. So number 19 refers to a problem earlier in the book, but we don't really need to know much about it because it's giving us different situations. But it says that we have to do A and B for number 19. So we have to write two equations based off what they give us and then solve the system of equation. So for 19, here's our situation. We have to write two equations, one for Pablo and one for Jasmine. So Pablo buys 3 servings of jambalaya. So that's 3 servings of jambalaya. I'm going to use J. Plus 2 drinks. I'm going to use D. Equals $18. Now Jasmine does 1 serving of jambalaya. So that's just J. Plus 2 drinks. That's 2D. Equals $9. Now B asks us to solve the system. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to copy my equations here. Okay, so using combination, I have to figure out what can I multiply one of the equations by to cancel them out. So to cancel out the J, I would have to multiply by -3 here. To cancel out the D's, I would have to multiply by -1. So I'm going to go ahead and do the -1. On the lower equation, everything's going to get multiplied by -1. If you did -3, that's okay. Or you could have even multiplied the top equation all by -1. Either way would have worked. So now that becomes -1 times J is -J. 2 times -1 is -2D. 9 times -1 is -9. Now I'm going to copy back the first equation so I can add them together. -1J plus 3 is 2J. These cancel out. -2 plus 2 cancels out. And then -9 plus 18 is 9. Now I have to divide by 2 on both sides. And I get J equals $4.50. So the jambalaya is $4.50. Now to figure out what the drinks cost, I need to put that back into the equation. I'm going to put it back into the second one. So J is $4.50. So instead of writing J, I write $4.50 and copy down the rest of the equation just like it is in the original problem. And now to solve this, I need to subtract $4.50 on both sides. That cancels out. I'm left with 2D equals $4.50. Divide by 2 on both sides, and I'm left with D equals $2.25. So to answer for B, 1 drink costs $2.25 and 1 jambalaya costs $4.50. So to write that as a coordinate point, it would look like this. Where this is jambalaya, and this is drinks. Okay, that's all for homework. Just make sure you show the 2 equations and all of your work on your page, and I should see the solution written as a coordinate point.